Welcome to the latest in our vlogs, and today we are at Forces Falls. So on this vlog we have the battle of the B-rolls. Check out my B-roll, which is filmed with highly expensive and advanced camera equipment, and Tracy's filmed with a GoPro. Who is best? You decide. Louder for the vlog!
I can't touch the bottom! Are you going to come in?
I'm going to come in after I've done the vlogging. Cheers, Bojo. So the vlogging now is over to you. The vlogging, video logging, that stands for.
Vlogging!
That is over to you. We're going to go under the water.
Here we go. Go on then, Mr. S. Get in.
Yeah, it's quite warm. Quite warm.
Get in.
It's quite warm. We hope you've enjoyed the vlog. Make sure you like and subscribe. Until next time, stay tuned.